Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Good noon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. So first of all, introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Nikunj Kumar. Sir, I belong from Champaran, Motihari, Bihar. I have completed my graduation degree in psychology honors from Moses
Okay.
Singh College, Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Muzaffarpur. Currently, I am working as a sorting assistant in railway mail service at Pathankot City Railway Station, Punjab. Sir, my
Okay.
hobbies includes playing cricket, watching movies, singing.
Okay. So why you want to join this job as you are already working in Indian Railway?
Sir, I have working in railway mail service for the last 4 years, and I have learned a lot from there. But now I am looking for a better opportunities and work that gives me better, challenging and interesting projects. And I think IB is the best platform for this.
Okay. So can you elaborate some of the measures adopted by the government to with respect to anti-terror mechanism?
Yes, sir. Now government has made a special office for all the three uh, armies: Indian Air Force, Navy, and Air Force, and they have united and made a special them
CDS. You
co-
are talking about CDS, right?
yes, yes, sir, CDS,
Okay.
so that they can exchange their intelligence through each other in very few time, and they can give their orders for their any work.
Okay, so these are with respect to armed forces, right? So I'm talking
Yes, sir.
about with respect to anti-terrorism mechanism. What are the steps taken by the government to basically counter terrorism attacks, or what are the anti-terrorism mechanisms in India that actually adopted in India?
Sir, I have less knowledge about this.
Okay, have you not heard about NIA?
Yes, sir, I have heard.
Okay, so you can
National
talk about
Intelligence
it.
Agency.
Okay, in
Okay.
this question, you can talk about it. It is also one of the measure or step taken by the government with regard to terrorism, right? So, what do you
Yes, sir.
think? What are the challenges with respect to terrorism in India? How we are going to face it in future, or what strategy should be there to protect our country from terrorism?
Sir, from the last many years, after the emergence of ISIS, many our countries are facing many of the challenges regarding the terrorism. In Jammu and Kashmir, due to its connection with the Pakistan, though Al Qaeda and Taliban are coming from Pakistan to Jammu Kashmir, and also it's in Punjab. There are many supplement of drugs and other things from Pakistan to Punjab, and there are many more problems which our country is facing at that moment.
Okay. So, what do you think? What should be done with respect to if we talk about Jammu and Kashmir? There are many activities with respect to militancy, right? So, to tackle that issue, what should be done?
So for tackling the terrorist activities in Jammu Kashmir, a proper army and a proper mechanism should be made. Here, sir, intelligence unit should be established so that any non-violent works could be identified. Stone pelting is a major concern in this state, so we have to work
Okay.
on it so that it can be tackled.
Okay. So, can you elaborate what are the advantages and disadvantages after the revocation of Article 370 from that state?
Yes, sir, it is. It was very important for our country to revoke Article 370. Earlier, before article revocation of Article 370, any man from Jammu and Kashmir can go to Pakistan and come to again in Jammu and Kashmir, and he can be their citizen. But after the revocation of 370, this couldn't be happen. Now, the all of the other states people can also go and live in Jammu and Kashmir, and they can also come to the other states of India. Or now RBI can function there, and their banks are under the RBI. Now there is only one flag that for the whole state and for the whole country, Now it's constitution. Now, there is no separate constitution for Jammu and Kashmir. Now we have only one constitution, and now also and from now, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has also passed a new resolution that includes that now no more two capital will be held for Jammu and Kashmir. Now there will be only one capital. So these are very important for steps that have been taken after the revocation of Article 370.
So what do you think? What are the fears with respect to that, or what are the disadvantages?
Sir, I don't look any disadvantages, but there have been many advantages. Now the people of Jammu and Kashmir are very satisfied with this decision. Also, some
do you think they are very satisfied with the decision, as there are a lot of issues with respect to that state?
Sir, any decision cannot satisfy 100% population, but this decision has satisfied more than 75% of the population. Only 25% of the population who are involved in military works, they are not satisfied because they want to create a disturbance in the state. Also, sir, also for the betterment of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, we can launch all the government schemes which were earlier in the state only. Now we can launch in Jammu and Kashmir also, like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, Annapurna Yojana, Indradhanush Yojana, and Ujjwala Yojana. All many schemes which we were using in other states of the India. Now we can launch there also, and they can be benefited from this. Then when they will get these benefits, then they will realize that now we are receiving good help from the government.
Okay, good. Do you know the term money laundering?
Yes, sir, money laundering.
So what is it, or what are the steps? How many steps are there to actually it involves?
Sir, I know money laundering, sir, but not in detail, sir. I don't.
Okay. So, what do you think? What are the present scenario with respect to COVID-19? There is a new variant of COVID, right? So,
Yes,
what
sir.
should be the steps? As there are a lot of cases increasing in India, if we talk about in present scenario.
Sir, the new COVID variant, that is Omicron. Sir, in India it has very few cases of Omicron. There are only 2 cases in Maharashtra, one in Delhi and one in Kerala. But there are only steps that we can take to prevent this is by taking our vaccine and making proper distance, by hand sanitization, using of proper masks, maintaining distance at our workplaces and at homes, and all this we can, by using this method we can tackle the new.
Okay. Do you know why there is a problem of insurgency in India? What is the root cause of?
Sir, the main thing, the unsatisfaction of government seems to the local people give rise to the insurgents and Naxalists in the very backward areas like Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Bihar, Bengal. The main reason for this is they are unsatisfied with the government schemes. They are unsatisfied with all the programs they are launched by the government or the poverty. Many more reasons are there, so that gives rise to the insurgent groups.
Okay. What is the main organ actually involved in dialysis?
Sir, kidney.
Okay. So why there is a need of dialysis process?
So when kidney stops functioning, there is a need of dialysis.
Okay. Now, have you heard about cytoplasm?
Yes, sir.
So can you elaborate some of its importance? Why it is important?
The cytoplasm is the main functioning unit of a cell. Cytoplasm, under the cytoplasm, there are mycoplasma glyphaticum, mitochondria. All these things are in the cytoplasm only. So it is the main basic functional and structural unit of the cell, sir.
So can you elaborate what is endoplasmic reticulum? Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir. Endoplasmic reticulum, I have heard. It is in cell only, in cytoplasm.
Okay. So what is the function of it?
Its function is a transportation of, sir. Its function is of transportation work in cell.
Are you definite about your answer?
Sir, I know it is in cell only, but I am not definite about its location.
Okay. Okay. Now, have you heard about VPN? virtual private network.
No, sir, I haven't heard about this.
Okay. What do you think this job in this job? What are the qualities that will make you an asset in IB?
Sir, I will first of all thank you for giving me opportunity in this for appearing in this interview. Sir, I am sir responsible. Sir, I am hardworking, and sir, in current job I am doing the job of 24 into 7. And sir, if IB also gives me a job of 24 into 7, then I have no problem for this, and I am sir used to working in this habit. So if you give me a chance to be in IB, then I will justify your selection, sir, with my working hardly and sincerely.